Namaste children. Today we are going to learn about an interesting topic called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in our curriculum aims at developing your mindset and skill set towards artificial intelligence and how it is understood and applied. The most important principle that artificial intelligence embraces is holistic, inclusive, and progressive development in many fascinating ways by problem solving, creative thinking, and critically analyzing data. Artificial intelligence is the new buzzword that is being used nowadays. Artificial intelligence is nothing new, but it has its evolution from around 1956. We have been using AI for nearly 50 to 60 years in GPS, wireless transmitters, etc. AI now has become commercially more viable through the applications like Google Home, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, etc. AI applications have become optimal as it is cheaper and its computational capability is really high. Also, nowadays, data is more affordable because of the availability of 4G connection. Ethics. So, what is ethics? Ethics is a moral principle that has to be followed at every place. Ethics differ from place to place. In computer, ethics is a moral principles that govern the behavior of a group or individual. Therefore, computer ethics is a set of moral principles that regulate the use of computers. As technology advances, computers continue to have a greater impact on the society. Therefore, computer ethics promotes the discussion of how much influence computers should have in areas such as artificial intelligence and human communication. As the world of computer evolves, computer ethics continues to create ethical standards that addresses new issues raised by new technology. So, we should have some ethics before handing over many of the works to the artificial intelligence systems. If we do not have the ethics, how do we expect the AI systems to behave in an ethical manner in future? Now, we are going to see what is going to be the essential learning experience from this AI course. This artificial intelligence course is there for you for both the classes of 9th standard and 10th standard. The experiences that you are going to gain are creating models by identifying problems and solving it, informed decision making, demonstrating responsible citizenship. Like you are going to use the artificial intelligence for solving many of the sustainable development goals in the future. This will show how the demonstration of responsible citizenship using artificial intelligence can be achieved. And then you are going to experience self-reflection, values, and ethics. You are going to explore future career opportunity and also the vocational ethics and communication skills. Humans have been developing machines which can make their lives easier. Machines are made with an intent of accomplishing tasks which are either too tedious for humans or are time consuming. Hence, machines help us by working for us, thereby sharing our load and making it easier for us to fulfill such goals. Life without machines today is unimaginable, and because of this, humans have been putting efforts into making them even more sophisticated and smart. As a result, we are surrounded by smart devices and gadgets like smartphones, smartwatches, smart TV, etc. Humans become more and more intelligent with time as they gain experiences during their lives. For example, in elementary school, we learnt about alphabets and eventually we move ahead to making words with them. As we grow, we become more and more fluent in the language as we keep learning new words and use them in our conversations. Another example is how we learn walking. Initially, a baby struggles to walk. He takes help from others while learning how to walk. And once he knows it, he keeps on upgrading it by learning how to run, jump, etc. How do machines become artificially intelligent? Machines also become artificially intelligent once they are trained with some information, which helps them to achieve their tasks. Artificial intelligent machines also keep upgrading and updating their knowledge to optimize their output. Let us now see what artificial intelligence is. When a machine possesses the ability to mimic human traits, that is, make decisions, predict the future, learn, and improve on its own, it is said to have artificial intelligence. In other words, you can say that a machine is artificially intelligent when it can accomplish tasks by itself, like collect data, understand it, analyze it, learn from it, and improve it. Let us now look into the advantages of artificial intelligence. Any AI system will be able to perform the tasks endlessly. That is, there is no time limit and the machine doesn't get tired so easily. It will be able to solve problems easily and effectively. It will be able to handle bulk of information in one go. Artificial intelligence would have a low error rate compared to humans if coded properly. They would have incredible precision, accuracy, and speed. They won't be affected by hostile environments, thus able to complete dangerous tasks, explore in space, and endure problems that would injure or kill humans. Before getting deeper into artificial intelligence, first let us look on to the history of AI. 1950 was the time when it all started. By 1955, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. By 1974, computers became faster and affordable. And by 1980, the year of artificial intelligence was marked. By 2000, the landmark of AI was established. From then onwards, artificial intelligence have been going on improving. Artificial intelligence was first coined around 1955 to 56 by a cognitive scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth College Conference, the first artificial intelligence conference. The main thought behind the project was to explore ways to make a machine that could reason like a human, was capable of abstract thought, problem solving, and self-improvement. Artificial intelligence is the creation of machines to impersonate human capabilities, such as teaching a machine to be able to distinguish objects in an image and to listen, deduce, and evaluate sounds. Sophia the robot, which is the first humanoid robot to be given citizenship in Saudi Arabia. These applications of artificial intelligence never fails to amaze us. Artificial intelligence has always been a term which intrigues people all over the world. Various organizations have coined their own versions of defining artificial intelligence. Some of the organizations are 1. Niti Aayog, National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence; 2. World Economic Forum; 3. European Artificial Intelligence Leadership, The Path for an Integrated Vision; 4. Encyclopedia Britannica. Let us take a deeper insight into the definitions given by each of these organizations. First, the definition of Niti Aayog. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Initially conceived as a technology that could mimic human intelligence, AI has evolved in many ways that far exceeds its original conception. With incredible advances made in data collection, processing, and computational power, intelligent systems have now been deployed to take over a variety of tasks. Not only that, it also helps in enabling connectivity and enhancing the productivity. Now, the definition of World Economic Forum. Artificial intelligence is the software engine that drives the fourth industrial revolution. Its impact can be already seen in homes, businesses, and political processes. In its embodied form of robots, it will soon be driving cars, stocking warehouses, and caring for young and elderly. Now, the definition of European Artificial Intelligence Leadership. Artificial intelligence is not a well defined technology and no universally agreed definition exists. It is rather a cover term for techniques associated with data analysis and pattern recognition. Artificial intelligence is not a new technology, having existed since the 1950s. While some markets, sectors, and individual business are more advanced than others, AI is still at a relatively early stage of development, so that the range of potential applications and the quality of most existing applications have ample margins left for further development and improvement. Finally, the definition of Encyclopedia Britannica. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a digital computer or computer controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. The term is frequently applied to the project of developing systems endowed with the intellectual processes characteristic of humans, such as ability to reason, discover meaning, generalize, or learn from past experience. Generally, artificial intelligence is defined as a form of intelligence, a type of technology, and a field of study. Artificial intelligence theory and development of computer systems, both machines and software, are able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence covers a broad range of domains and applications and is expected to impact every field in the future. Overall, its core idea is building machines and algorithms which are capable of performing computational tasks that would otherwise require human-like brain functions. Recent technologies such as Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, AI-based chatbots, and so on provide interactions using natural language processing in interpreting user questions, providing meaningful solution and information such as news, weather, time, and directions. Artificial intelligence is a concept which has been around us since a long time now, which can be explained or experienced by all of us today. Let us now take a look at some of the AI applications. The first one being the self-driving cars. This self-driving cars is a concept developed under artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be used to create fully autonomous cars to travel between destinations without a human operator. The next application of artificial intelligence will most likely be well known to all of you, which is the Google Translate. It is a free, multilingual, statistical, and neural machine translation service developed by Google to translate text and websites from one language into another. It is based on deep learning algorithms. Translating from one language to another language is now just a click away. Let's get into a hands-on activity. The Artificial Intelligence curriculum hopes to inspire AI readiness in you. At the end of this program, we hope you will get a deep understanding of AI, access to artificial intelligence powered tools, and the ability to create solutions with AI. So here is your first activity. How do you think artificial intelligence can help you as you go about your daily life? You are going to fill in your ideas in the 6 circles that have been provided. Here are few questions to test your learning in this class. The answers are present in the next slide. With this, we have completed our introduction of artificial intelligence. We will soon meet you in another presentation. Thank you, children.